Hey guys, it's been a while. TK all day here of TK's in the Bay, here with the quick hits in honor of the upcoming Captain America Brave New World movie coming out this weekend. I wanted to do a quick hits around the Captain America light up inflatable shield with sound effects that you can get from the Disney store right now, and also from the Avengers Reserve over in downtown Disney, across from Din Tai Fung. So we're going to be talking about this guy. So if you order from the Disney store, it comes in a plastic. And it comes pretty flat. So there's where you inflate. Adjustable straps. Power button. And then this button's for effects. So the sounds are shield punch, shield throw, and shield catch. And let's go inflate it. I'm afraid to overinflate it, so this might be a little underinflated. So it doesn't inflate a lot, but let's look at the lighting effects when it's inflated. So it makes a big difference because it pushes this away from the light, so the light looks more consistent. So I have another shield another Captain America inflated shield that came from Tokyo Comic Con 2018. So it's the only other inflated shield that I've ever seen. And this one came in like a claw machine at Comic Con. This one's kind of unique because it has two inflating points in the middle and the edge. The cool part too is like you can adjust these so you can wear it as a backpack. The Disney store one you cannot wear as a backpack because the straps are way too small. And then you can adjust these straps if you're gonna hold it like a shield. So it makes it more tight. So pretty cool for like a claw machine toy. But if you compare the size, this one's 1 inch smaller in diameter. And obviously it's just a graphic that's on it. And this one looks more clean. And it looks like a inner tube toy on the side. This one looks more like a shield. The other comparison is when you go to the Disney parks, they have these like foam ones. And these are pretty small. These are like 14.5 inches. This is more like a Frisbee, but it's soft and safe. And then the other comparison is Hasbro's. So this is 24-inch diameter. This is the comic version of the Captain America shield. This one's the plastic one. I didn't get my hands on the metal one. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a nice, safe, fun toy with sound effects and lighting effects. Seeing if it's motion activated. I don't think so. So there you go. Captain America shield, light up and sound effects from the Disney store. Also, you can find it at the Avengers Reserve that opened up in downtown Disney at Disneyland. So they have this one, obviously, and then they also have Mjolnir, which I'll do another quick hits on, and then they have Hulk hands. Both are inflatable, both have sound effects, so they're doing this whole series of inflatable sound effects. So yeah, thanks for watching.